Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any photo into a fun giant doll animations. It's super easy and completely free. And you don't need advanced editing skills. Just one simple app. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Play Store and search for an app called Dreamface. And if you don't have it yet, just go ahead and download it. And once installed, just open the app and simply log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface actually gives you free weekly credit so you can generate a limited number of videos or images without paying anything. Next, just after logging in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on Magic Effects and then scroll to until you find called Giant Doll. This one, just tap on it. And now it's time to bring your photo to life. Just select the photo that you want to transform and make sure the face in your photo is clear and well lit. For the best result, just tap on plus button and then choose your photo. And when you're done, just tap on confirm and then just tap on create. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, your giant doll animations will be ready like this. And once the animations is complete, you can download it and then just save it to your device. And okay, that's it. Turning your photo into a giant doll animation is that simple. Just download the Dreamface, choose the giant doll effects, and then just animate. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.